So what you can do is, let's say, for example, you have a certain data, then what you can also do is rearrange those particular existing data as well. Let's say, for example, I have this particular text right here. You can see that these are topics that are related to computer science. So I can simply go ahead and say these are the topics related to computer science right here. Rearrange the data of topics right here in different categories right here. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and rearrange out the topics. Let's say, for example, you can see that it is processing. So you need to wait for a while right here as it is analyzing out the data. And now you can see that it has started generating, and now it took this particular content itself and has divided it into different categories, as you can see. For example, it says Foundation of Computer Science, and then it took the three content: Introduction to Computer Science, Computers and How They Work, Operating System, and File Management. Then you got the Programming Fundamentals, where it added in all this, Data Structure and Algorithm, where it added all this, and so forth, as you can see right here. So what I can also do is, let's say, for example, further rearrange it if I don't like it, and so forth. And that is how you can utilize DeepSeek to go ahead and rearrange out existing content as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.